the first ever alert with KJ
Small
West.
streets and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lake Jackson, Angleton, Freeport,
Oh!
West Columbia, Union, River Edge, Oyster Creek, Sandy Prairie, Wildcat Village, Sargent, and Lake. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall has caused extensive and severe flash
PDS!
Flood waters. Climb to safety. Turn around. Don't drown when
No way.